So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Let's do our assignment Environmental Science Week 7th Assignment 7. So, the first question is Eco Trends, a fashion brand specializing in eco-friendly clothing, has launched a new initiative where customers can return their used garments in exchange for a discount on new purchases. The return clothing is then creatively transformed by local artisans and into fashion accessories. This business practice is an example of. So, these are the options: refurbishing, remanufacturing, repurposing, recycling. So the answer of our first question is C. Now let's go to question number 2. To reduce their environmental footprint, EcoTrends is further investing in the design of clothing that can easily be disassembled and reused in the creation of other products. This strategy most closely reflects, so these are the options: rethinking, remanufacturing, repurposing, recycling. So the answer of our second question is A, rethinking. Now let's go to question number 3. A technology company, Tech Cycles, produce high-end electronic gadgets and has launched a program to collect old devices from customers. Usable components like chips and screens are refurbished and reused in newer models. Parts that cannot be reused are sent to specialized recycling plant to extract valuable materials. This final step best exemplifies. So these are the option: rethink, recycle, remanufacture, recover. So the answer of our third question is D, recover. Now the fourth question is IKEA, a global leader in affordable furniture, has launched a circular business model that includes the option for customer to return used furniture for resale and so on. And these are the option: product as a service, product life extension, circular supply chain, sharing platform. So the answer of our fourth question is A, product as a service. Now let's go to question number fifth. Which of the following best define a sharing platform business model? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C, a model where users can borrow or share assets with each other through a digital platform, promoting the utilization of underused resources. Now, let's go to question number 6. A large manufacturing park has been stabilized where multiple companies are located close to each other. These companies have formed partnership to exchange waste materials, energy, and water. For example, one company that, and so on. So these are the option: industrial ecology, industrial symbiosis, circular economic, green manufacturing. So the answer of our sixth question is B, industrial symbiosis. Now let's go to question number 7. Urban metabolism involves tracking and managing the flow of resource, energy, water, materials through a city. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is A, to reduce environmental impact by efficiently managing the resource consumption of the city. Now let's go to question number 8. The butterfly diagram of the circular economy illustrates the flow of materials and energy within sustainable system. Which of the following best describes the two main components of the butterfly diagram? So these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is A, biological cycle and technical cycle. Now let's go to question number 9. Which of the following is a key benefit of recycling solar PV panel within the framework of a circular economy? So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is B. It enables the recovery and reintegration of rare and high value materials such as silver, silicon, and indium into the production cycle. Now let's go to question number 10. Which of the following best represents a fundamental limitation of implementing a circular economy at a global scale? So these are the options, and the answer of our 10th question is B. Irreversible thermodynamics losses and progressive material quality degradation throughout successive recycling cycles. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.